if you are new to our channel, I'm Kelly. This is my best friend Christina. We make videos all about fashion, lookbooks, tips, tricks, hauls, all that good stuff. We put videos out every Sunday and Thursday morning, so if you like that kind of thing, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on anything.
Yeah, and today we have got such a fun video for you. We have got 7 outfit tricks that are simple and easy that you can do under 1 minute that will help you to look more stylish. So if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned because these are great tips that you won't want to miss.
So we're gonna start with the most basic tip number 1, which is tuck in your shirt. Now this one might sound kind of obvious to some of you, or some of you might be saying like, no, I don't like to tuck in my shirt, but trust us, this is an essential step, and the other steps they're really gonna build on this one. So for us, this is a big one. Tucking in your shirt, you know, there's lots of different ways to do it. We actually created a video all on the different tucks, the front tuck, the side twist and tuck, the side knot. So if you're interested in learning how to tuck your shirt, definitely make sure you check out that video. We're gonna link it for you guys, but this is just a great way to get started, to really add some style to your look, and definitely one that for me I think is the most important.
Yes, and this is such a simple trick that you really can add to any top, whether it's a cami, a tank, a button down, a t-shirt, a oversized sweater. It's just that great little detail that will really help to elevate your outfit. And it also really helps to create and define that waistline so that you are having just a beautiful silhouette when you are going out into the world with your cute little outfit looking stylish. So the second tip is cuffing your jean. This is a great, simple, and easy trick to look more stylish. You may cuff your jeans because you think, oh, it's kind of practical with the different shoes that I'm wearing, but really it's just an element of detail that just helps to make you look more stylish. And if you're curious about different ways to cuff your jeans, we did come out with a video all about different styles of cuffing jeans with different types of shoes, so we'll make sure to link that video down below for you.
And when we're cuffing jeans, we're typically doing it with 2 styles of jeans. One of those is our skinny jeans, because by cuffing them, we can get them to a length that we find is most flattering and add that little element of style, and also boyfriend jeans. So just, you will see in some of our examples, just by giving them a little cuff, it really helps to give them this element of style. Obviously, we're not cuffing every single pair of jeans all the time. We love our cropped jeans and our straight-legged jeans, but cuffing certain jeans can really help to create the look that you want. It can also, you know, make sure that the jean is hitting you right at the correct spot for whatever types of shoes that you're wearing. This works really well with booties as well as sneakers and flats. So definitely, when you look in the mirror, if you feel like something's not right with those skinny jeans, try giving them a cuff and see if that helps to add a little bit more style to your look. So tip number 3 is really just the golden nugget. This is definitely one that Christina and I embrace all the time. So it is adding a 3rd layer. So adding a layering piece is really going to help you to make something as basic as, you know, a tank top, a cami, or a t-shirt turn into a real outfit. So this is a great way to just bring up your look, to really elevate your style. And there's so many different ways that you can do this. And this is just a really great and easy way. I mean, it literally takes seconds to throw on that 3rd piece.
Yeah, and you can do this with a cardigan, a denim jacket, a moto jacket. You can also have a suede jacket. So many different pieces, right? Cargo jacket,
Absolutely.
There's just a blazer. So many different choices. And also, if you are using that element of tucking, you can create interest with the outfit by tucking it different ways depending on which layering piece you have. So I promise you, combining these different tips are just layering the sophistication and the style to your outfits. Tip number 4 is such an easy one, but one of my favorite, and that is either rolling or pushing up your sleeves. So I do this with sweaters, t-shirts, jackets, blazers, just whatever it is. For me, I feel like it just makes the outfit look so much better and a lot more interesting than when the sleeves are all the way down to my wrists.
Absolutely. And of course, you know, living in a warmer climate, I'm sure we use this trick probably more than some of you do
Yes.
because we are not looking for all of that extra warmth. However, it is definitely something that we do, particularly with, you know, like button down shirts and everything, just to really make them have that more casual, relaxed vibe. It just also adds this element of style and interest. So if you have a more casual lifestyle, this is probably something you're going to want to embrace. You can really take something, you know, as simple as like a plaid shirt, and just by rolling up the sleeves, just make it look just so cute and casual and fun and really a bit younger, and not so like stuffy and professional looking. So this is one that's great for like all of you moms on the go, or you know, if you're out running errands and stuff. Just such a simple way. And if you want to push up the sleeves of like a blazer or a heavy sweater, we also have a trick for that in our fashion hacks video that we just put out. So you're gonna want to watch that one if you want to find out what that trick is for keeping those sleeves in place. Tip number 5 is to add an accessory. So here's where you're going to have fun, ladies, with some of your jewelry. Things like a statement necklace, or what's really in style right now are the chain necklaces, a nice chain necklace, some, you know, stack of bracelets, a little arm party going on, some statement earrings, also something like a scarf. This is just, you know, adding that extra little something, that little element of interest to take something that's maybe very plain and simple and kind of bring it up to the next level.
And I'll be honest with you, for me, I feel like my outfit is not complete. I always make sure to add those accessory pieces, whether it's in a bracelet, a watch, some earrings, some necklaces, or even if I'm keeping it very subtle with my jewelry, making sure to add like a scarf or a belt on. For sure, this is such an easy one and really takes no time whatsoever. It really helps to just dot the I and cross the T's with your outfits. So number 6 is a fun one as well, and that is using and incorporating either a statement print or color. And this can be something where you have maybe a printed belt or a colorful belt. Can also be in a shoe. They've got great snake print or leopard shoes. Can also be in your bag. Bags are easy ways to be able to incorporate different colors and prints and patterns into your outfit that really are used best when you have just a very neutral, plain, not much going on kind of outfit.
Yeah, and if you've been watching our channel for a while, you know that we love to use this. I'm obsessed with pink, so of course I'm adding a pop of pink to so many neutral outfits. We also love in the fall to add our leopard through shoes and belts and handbags, and of course right now snake print being super on trend. So this is how you're really going to sneak in some interest. If you're someone who likes to dress in a lot of solid or neutral colors, this is going to be really fun for you. So if you don't really care for prints in your clothing, you know, a fun way to do it is through adding this element of interest through your shoes, belt, and bag. So last but not least is all about when you are wearing some cute sneakers, and that is to tuck in your laces. So obviously there's the very basic way to tie your shoes, you know, the standard way with a little bow, but we really like the look of taking those sneakers and instead, you know, doing the laces a little bit differently, which we will demonstrate for you, and then tucking them in so that you don't have that knot at the top. And I don't know what it is about this trick, but it really just makes it look a little bit more polished. I think it's because it gives the sneaker a little bit more of a shoe vibe versus sneaker vibe. This works really well on those cute leather sneakers that we've been showing you guys, and the fall taupe sneakers, the faux suede sneakers. It just really like pulls everything together and makes it look so chic.
Yeah, this was actually a trick that Kelly taught me, and I absolutely love it because I do wear sneakers a lot. I think that they're super comfortable. However, when I'm tying them, I feel as if it's more of like a gym shoe, and in order to really move away from that and make it look as if it's more of a stylish, casual, carefree, I just happen to throw these shoes on. By tucking in the laces, it just creates a streamlined look to the shoe, really elevating it.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed these 7 instant tricks to look more stylish, and don't forget to leave us a comment down below. We would love to hear which of these is your favorite trick, which one do you use already or you learned today that you absolutely love.
We hope you subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave us also some video content ideas down below. We create these videos for you, and until next time guys, bye!